每年除夕夜，我们都会吃鱼，因为妈妈说吃了鱼，我们就会年年有余。Chinese New Year's Eve, our family will eat fish. Fish, 鱼 sounds like surplus. Chinese people like to have a surplus at the end of the year because they think if they have managed to save something at the end of the year, then they can make more in the next year.
喜欢吃饺子。My favorite Chinese New Year food is dumpling.
喜欢吃年糕，甜甜的，吃了年糕，来年就会步步高升。I like to eat New Year's cake. They're sweet. After eating the New Year's cake, it means you'll be getting higher year by year.
我喜欢吃团圆，团圆代表的是一家人团团圆圆。I like to eat round dumplings which represent a family reunion.
我喜欢看花灯、猜灯谜，猜对了还能得到小礼物。I like to watch lanterns and guess lantern riddles, and if I guess them correctly, I get small.
看舞龙舞狮，那个场面非常热闹。I enjoyed watching the dragon and lion dances. The scene was really lively.
过春节我一定会放鞭炮，这太好玩了。During Chinese New Year, I will set off firecrackers. It is so fun.
春节是我和家人会出来放亲朋好友，给他们拜年。During the Spring Festival, my family and I will visit relatives and friends and give them the New Year greetings.
我的春节愿望是得多很多的红包。My wish for the Spring Festival is to get many red envelopes.
新的一年，我希望学习成绩越来越好，考试拿到好成绩。In the new year, I hope my academic performance will get better and better, and I will get good score in the exam.
希望我的家人身体健康、平安幸福。I hope my family is healthy, safe, and happy.
望病毒能早点消失，我想去旅游。I hope the COVID-19 will disappear soon, and I want to travel.
祝你新年快乐，阖家幸福，天天开心。
祝你春节快乐！
祝你金钱寿神，祝大家万事如意，
你心想事成，
祝你年大吉，
身体健康，
祝你春节快乐，开心心大吉大利，
身体健康，
祝你春节快乐，
祝你春节快乐，
天天开心，大吉大利。
万事如意，
恭喜发财，新增如意，
牛年大吉！
祝你春节快乐，
祝你春节快乐，
祝你春节快乐！
祝大家万事如意，
心大吉大利！
祝大家牛年大吉，开开心心大吉大利，
牛年大吉，
牛年大吉！
身体健康， 春节快乐！
宜春节快乐！
祝大家万事如意，耶！
好运连连，
恭喜发财，心正如意。
恭喜发财，祝你笑口常开，
祝你春节快乐，牛年大吉，
身体健康。
祝你春节快乐，身体健康，
身体健康。
祝大家春节快乐 ，Happy Chinese New Year！
Every winter, a sixth of the world's population, including more than 1 billion Chinese citizens, celebrate Chinese New Year. The 15-day festival, also known as Lunar New Year or the Spring Festival, kicks off on the second new moon after the winter solstice. Or, according to the Gregorian calendar, in use since the 16th century, sometime between January 21st and February 19th. But Chinese New Year goes back a lot further than the 16th century. It's based on the ancient Chinese calendar, which existed as early as the 14th century BC. Even though China adopted the Western calendar in 1912 and began marking January 1st as the official start of the year, Chinese New Year remains the country's most important social and economic holiday. Over the centuries, holiday festivities have spread far beyond China and now take place all over the world. In fact, the biggest celebration outside of China takes place in the United States, San Francisco to be exact. Ever since the gold rush in the 1840s and 50s brought an influx of Chinese immigrant workers to Northern California, the city has held a massive parade for Chinese New Year. According to Chinese tradition, each year is named for one of the 12 animals associated with the Chinese zodiac. Two of those animals, the dragon and the rabbit, are particularly important to Chinese New Year. You'll see dragons everywhere because the Chinese are said to have descended from the mythical creature. And on the 15th day of the new year, known as the Festival of Lanterns, many people display paper lanterns in the shape of rabbits. These symbolize a Chinese goddess named Chang'e, who is said to have brought a rabbit along with her when she jumped on the moon. To prepare for Chinese New Year, lots of people clean out their houses to rid them of ghosts and bad luck associated with the old year. They might get a new haircut and clothes, settle disagreements, or pay off debts in order to start the year fresh. In this way, the Chinese New Year customs resemble the Western custom of New Year's resolutions. In the late night hours of Chinese New Year's Eve, many families make dumplings together. This food is said to bring good fortune to the household. Long noodles are also a traditional Chinese New Year's dish. But if you want to live a long life, never cut the noodles while eating them. And be sure to wear red, the color of good luck, and avoid black, which many people associate with death. Whether they are superstitions or resolutions, one thing's for sure, there's a lot of tradition associated with Chinese New Year that we bet you didn't know.
Good afternoon, teacher and students. Welcome to the 2021 Chinese New Year Assembly. As you may know, there are many different ways throughout the world to celebrate this holiday. On this day, people who typically wear red, presenting good luck and festivity family, come to celebrate together. Elders often give the younger generation money as a sign of good fortune and luck. In the street, you will find firecrackers, dancing dragons, and dancing lions to be popular form of celebrations. The first show performance by Year 9 student to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Please enjoy the show.
丰收的新年多热闹，大街小巷放
这门风北，只不过天公不作美。我是回味，不过是谈聚会，日复日望，转就水树和绿梅。你爱着谁，进不了几道伤。我随着美，最是心思断肠。落雁纷飞，几头的眼里泪流淌。烛光一盏照不人自难忘。你爱着谁，进不了几道伤。爱的可悲，跟彼此天涯的一方。冷月空归，晚风中无处话凄凉。我爱不会，可呼应那尘沙。情多憔悴，爱赋予动人的水。这门风北，只不过天公不作美。我是回味，不过是谈聚会，日复日望，转就水树和绿梅。你爱着谁，进不了几道伤。爱的可悲，跟彼此天涯的一方。冷月空归，晚风中无处话凄凉。我爱不会，可呼应那尘沙。你爱着谁，进不了几道伤。我随着美，最是心思断肠。落雁纷飞，几头的眼里泪流淌。烛光一盏照不人自难忘。
The last show is a Chinese song, Proud of You, performance by Mai and her sister. Last year and this year, due to COVID-19, many family members could not be reunited during the Chinese New Year. Hope this song can encourage everyone in times of difficulty. Still, don't give up hope. Believe that everything in life will be better. Thank you everyone and wish you all happy Chinese New Year.